Okay, so let me guide you on how you can actually add someone on your YouTube channel as a manager, or someone to just give how to give someone access to your YouTube channel so they can actually help you to upload content, post, and do other stuff. So here you're gonna click on this icon here by top right, by the icon by the top right. Yeah, click on it. When you click on it, you will see settings, send feedback, help center, YouTube, and privacy policy. So you click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will see push notification. Then you see channel. Under channel, you will see audience, country of residence, permission. So here you're gonna click on permission. Yeah. So when you click on permission, you'll see the various options on people. So you how you gonna do here, you're going to send in, but this is the numbers of people on this channel. So you can see they are much. If you have the owner, we have manager, we have an editor. So that's how you can actually send someone. So now you click on send invite. Now you paste the person's email here. You paste the person's email here. Then you put the option that you want the person, if you want the person to be manager on the channel, an editor, editor limited, subtitle editor, viewer, and viewer limited. So it has different options. So you can actually choose the one you want the person to be. For this, you're going to pick uh, manager because the one person want full access. So that's it. The manager only have access to the channel. You can upload content, you can edit posts, you can actually do a lot, but it doesn't have full control of the channel. So you can always remove the person whenever you feel like. So that's how to actually add someone to your, your YouTube channel. So for this YouTube channel, we notice this channel is already monetized. It's one of the job we worked on and it was successful. All thanks to our team for being able to deliver this service to this client. Person hasn't applied yet, but you can see the dashboard of the person is showing monetized here. No, okay, it's not monetized yet, but we just delivered the watch hour service here. We just delivered the watch hour service for this, so we're waiting for the person to apply. You can see the apply button is showing for the person to apply, then follow the process to get his or her channel monetized. So if you want to get your channel monetized, I think you can reach out to us with every means to ensure that you can get these services. Getting monetized is not easy currently. Reaching the 4K watch hour time and also gaining over 1K subscriber is not easy, but we can help you reach that within a short period of time. So we have a limited slot running from now till 26th of December. You can get it at a promo price compared to the initial price, which was over 200K. So, but now you can get it for 170K flat. So I'll be expecting a message from you very soon.